Hey guys, so in this video we want to take a look at why we are not able to delete an offer that we received, which is now kind of stuck in our summary page. As you can see here, I received this offer and I can't check the box here in order to delete it. I can just only take a look at it. But when you see here, this offer expires in 2 days and 4 hours. So in this case, Monday 2:58. So all we really have to do, and this is super simple, so we just wait 2 days. And at this point, the listing has changed a little bit. So now it says offer expired and the listing ends in 2 days in 1 hour. So that's on Wednesday in this case. But the offer that the seller has given us, has sent us, that's already expired. So at this point, we are able to check the checkbox here on the left side and hit the delete key. Okay, so yeah, this was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then leave a message below.